Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to do a quick unicorn doodle today. We're going to start with a U-shaped head. Just a capital U right in the middle of the paper but towards the top. And two leaf-shaped ears. And I call them leaves because they come to a point at the end. And these are the unicorn ears. Let's do that unicorn horn, where I just make a smiley face. And then it comes to a point. Go up, and then I go down. Now I'm going to start with the hair. I'm going to start here. I'm going to do some zigzag lines. So I start with the mane in the front. And then I wrap it around the horn, but I stop because I wanted to go behind the horn. Come this way. I stop. I wanted to go behind the ear. Come down here. And then I do some big zigzags. I want it to kind of be flowing in the wind, like that. We can finish off the ears, do the top of the ear, little lines if you want to. Little eyes, just rainbow arcs, and then two little lines for the eyelashes. Rainbow arc, two lines for the eyelashes, and then the nose. I just do a rainbow arc again, and then two lines for the nostrils. Last thing for the face, I like to do little diagonal lines for the horn to make it look like it's spiraling up. Okay, now we're done with the face. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the body. This unicorn is going to be sitting down, so I'm just going to kind of curve the lines out and down, and then put a line right down the middle, about halfway. Now here, I'm going to do a line out like this, and from here out like that. These are the back legs, and here I just start at the top here. I'm going to do a skinny oval. And then connect it back. So skinny oval. And then connect it back with a straight line. And then we'll just finish off these front paws. I go in a little bit, the front hooves, I guess. Go in a little bit. See how I'm making those diagonal lines? I close it off. And that's it. Now you guys can color it however you want.